Once again, a pleasant Easter morning to each and everyone.
Good morning, Father.
Salamat sa araw na ito, sa kapistahan ni Matthias, no? Saint Matthias, ang pumalit kay Judas. The apostles are the foundations, the 12 apostles. Kaya nga may Apostles' Creed, no? Yung pundasyon. Pag nawala yung isa, kailangan natin palakasin yung pundasyon ulit, no? Balikan natin. Napakahalaga ng pundasyon, no? Napakahalaga ng pundasyon. Kasi pag hindi natin napalakas yung pundasyon, hihina, no? Kaya nung umalis si Judas, no, may papalit, no? Let us always be careful with our foundations. Please take care of the foundations. Palalakasin, didiligan, at tunay na aalagaan natin yung pundasyon natin. So salamat sa pagpili kay Matthias para bumalik ulit yung pundasyon for all of us. Remember, Matthias was chosen. No? Parang he was chosen by Lot, na may dalawa, no, na napili, tapos nagbunutan at napili si Matthias. But nothing happens by chance. Nothing happens by chance. We were all chosen. Hindi pa tsamba-tsamba, no, na swerte naman, hindi swerte. Pinili yan, pinili ng Panginoon. Katulad ng pagpili sa bawat isa sa atin. All of us were chosen. We have to believe we were chosen to be a single person, single blessedness, chosen to married life, chosen to the priesthood or the religious orders. No? We were all chosen, pinili. Kaya sa mga pagkakataon na parang, naku, hindi ako napili, no? I was ostracized, I was betrayed, no? Sa opisina, sa kaibigan, sa pamilya, sa ating bansa, no? Hindi tayo napili. Remember, kahit na maetsapwera tayo sa lahat, pero never, never, never tayo maetsapwera because we were all chosen. Hang on to that gift of being chosen. It is a gift, a special gift. Let us not take that for granted. We were all chosen by God. We belong. We all belong. Kaya that is very, very important to be reminded of. No? All of us were chosen. Each in a very particular way, a special mission, each given to everyone, na kaminsan parang nababaliwala, na parang, naku, hindi ako napili. No? Naku, hindi po. Dahil sa pagmamahal ng Diyos, tayo ay pinili. Salamat sa Diyos.